Hi guys, I'm Sunan Paul from Center of Balance, the acupuncturist and Chinese medicine herbalist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this C-band. So the C-band it can work for motion sickness, travel sickness, and morning sickness, and post-operative or post chemotherapy, and that normally cause sickness. Basically, any sickness. Okay, let me show you. First, you need to locate we call 内关 point over here. And if you don't locate it properly, you don't know how to locate it, it doesn't work. It doesn't work at all right? There's so many people buy this from the pharmacies online and they don't know how to use it. Let me show you locate the point first. 内关 in the code we call PC6 on a pericardium. So what you need to do is 3 fingers from the wrist, the crease of the wrist down here. Well, let's make a line over here. Right, that's in the middle, and with two, there are 2 tendons in here, and you can press it, and there you can feel the sensitive point. Now, in my experience, that's how I show my patient, right? Another easy way to locate the point. Use your 5 fingers from here down to here, and the 3 fingers which cover here. 3 fingers cover here. There's 3 line over here. You see the 3 line, which is there's another line in this area. There are 9 different points. Right. Between 2 tendons over here, there are 2 tendons. I don't know whether you can see it or not. Right, they're actually 2 very close together. So that's 1 point. That's another point. That's another point. And then there's another point. That's another point. That. Right. So most acupuncturists only show you 1 point. But in here, I want to show you 9 points, right? We call 九宫内关, 九宫 PC6. So what you need to do right now is use your fingers, your thumb, and press this one. Press this. And find, for me, this is quite sensitive. That is exactly PC6. And press that one as well. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, this is sensitive too. So I got 2 sensitive points. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna weigh this. Put it on. You see this one, it actually comes to a knot over here, right? It's flat over here, but it's in here. So you first need to locate the point. Once you locate the point, you can weigh this. Now, this is the one. I'll press it on. Right. I wear it properly. Then what I'm going to do right now is just press. I can feel it. Sometimes I can feel the sensation go down my fingers as well. And that's normal. Okay, you press it and you rub it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then repeat it for 10 times or repeat it for 3 times. And then you just let go over there. Now, that should give you instant relief for your sickness. If that doesn't work, I know there's another point over here, right? There's another point over here. Then I can move to it. Off the video. I can move to that one, right? There's another point over here. One in here, one in here. I move over here. Then I repeat the same. Press it and rub. Oh, it's so sensitive over here. And release. Repeat it for 3 times or 10 times. And then that should give me relief, right? That's simple. Then I just wear it during the day. If your sickness is if your morning sickness, it only comes from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Then you know every day is set time. Then you want to do it at 8:30 and wait throughout the 9 to 10. right? If your morning sickness is actually come in the afternoon at 4 o'clock, then you wear it, started to apply this at 3:30, and then keep going, right? If it comes and goes, comes and goes, comes and goes during the day, then you wear it in the morning, just keep going. So it come to, we sell it in our clinic, or you can email us and order from us. In general, if you book online, you go for pharmacies, they sell $26 a pair. We sell $20 a pair. Much cheaper, good quality. You should buy it from us. So we have our emails down there. You can actually send us an email, right? And you can buy it from us. And this is how you use it, right? If sorry, I think I off the topic a bit. If that it comes and goes, you want to wear all day long, and two of them you can just do one, and then come with a pair, and then you can do another one. You don't have to necessarily do it on both arms. Okay, just one arm will be better. Find one arm and then alternate it on the other arm. Does it make sense? I hope that makes sense. And so you can wash it. It comes with a pair. You can wash one and use the other one. Okay? Stay awesome. If you have any question, please leave your question down there, and our emails down there. You can email us, our websites down there. You can contact us. You know, acupuncture is very good for morning sickness too, but that will work very well as well. Right? Thank you. Bye bye.